Hello. Today's topic of my video review, setting up a network printer in Windows 10. There are several ways to connect a network printer. I chose one of them when the printer is connected to a computer, and this computer is connected to a router. It will be called PC number 1, and another computer is connected to the same router. This will be PC number 2. And so, computer number 1. First, I must say that what you see on your screen may well be different from mine, because Windows 10 is constantly being updated, and its features can change their appearance. Click the button, Start, Settings. Here we find, Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners. Find your printer and click on it. Click, Manage. In the next window click, Printer Properties. And here open the tab, Sharing. Click, Change Sharing Options. Here you need to check the box, Share this printer, and if you want, here you can change the name of the printer. Click Apply, click OK. If network discovery and sharing is enabled on your computer, the printer is already available from other computers on your home network. If your computer is not yet shared, then follow all the steps with me, step by step, and we will now set up a local network together with you. Let's go back to the main settings page. Here we click, Network and Internet. Click, Internet. Open the Network tab, and change the network profile, Public, to Private. Let's go back and click, Status, Network, and Sharing Center. Then, change Advanced Sharing Options. Enable Network Discovery and enable automatic configuration on network devices. In this section, it should be noted that this is about sharing files and printers. We are not interested in the guest room. We open the All Networks tab, turn on sharing so that network users can read and write files in the shared folders. Here we leave the encryption at 128-bit. If you use a password when logging into this computer, then you need to enable password protected sharing. If you do not have a password to log in, disable password protected sharing. I disable this feature. This completes the settings. Click Save Changes and close these windows. Now we need to find additional system settings. For this we open Explorer. Right-click on this PC, and select Properties. As I said earlier, after the latest updates, some Windows 10 functions now look different. If you have not received these updates, this window will open, and in the upper left corner you need to click, Advanced System Settings. In my window I will click, Here. Click, Here. Additional System Parameters. On the Computer Name tab, you can change its name, and give a different name to the workgroup. I open the Change tab, and I write a new name, PC number 1. I click OK. The system asks to restart the computer, but we need to change one more setting. Now we open the tab, Remote. Where the checkbox should be checked, Allow remote assistance connections to this computer. And check, Allow remote connections to this computer, click, Apply. Thus, enabling remote desktop opens a port on the computer that is visible on the local network. Click Restart now for the changes to take effect. After that, you need to perform the same sharing settings on other computers. When you do this, all computers from your network environment will immediately appear in File Explorer under the Networking tab. Computer number 2. And so, I made the same sharing settings on the second computer. I repeated all the steps step by step. They do not differ at all from what you have already seen here. I rebooted, and now we will configure the network printer. Click the button, Start. Settings. Then Devices. Click, Printers and Scanners. Click, Add Printer or Scanner. When the search starts, immediately click the printer that I want isn't listed. In the next window, select a shared printer by name, and click Next. The Explorer window and the Network tab opened, on which computers from your local network should appear. We see computer number 1 and number 2. Open the computer on which the printer was installed. Select the printer, that is, left-click on it once, and at the bottom, click the Select button. The printer is selected, and the installation of the network driver has started. Driver installation completed successfully, click Next. Here you can print a test page, or just click Finish. And so, we set up the sharing options, then we connected the printer on the local network, and we did it well. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Good luck.